I just watched your video on a product called Fix a Leak. My plumber added 2 bottles of this to my 50,000 liter pool, and it appears the leak is now plugged. My question is this: should I drain and put in clean water? I ask because it says on the bottle that the product is potentially fatal if swallowed and can cause eye disorders.
I've never come across any issues. To me, most of the warnings that you're going to see on these chemicals are what is known as CYA, or cover your ass. I look at it kind of similarly to if you swallow toothpaste, call poison control. And obviously don't take this as health advice or legal advice or anything like that. It's just a matter of like when we winterize pools and whatnot, and we're adding the like RV marine type antifreeze to a pool. The idea of solution is dilution, where you're putting in basically 2 quarts of Fix a Leak, and I'm sorry, I don't know what the conversion rate is as far as 50,000 liters, but it's heavily diluted. But the thing is like you said, that the leak is plugged, so with the movement no longer, the Fix a Leak should gum up and should be relatively hard or cured. So excuse me, it's kind of your call. I'm not going to tell you to not do something when it comes to worry about your health, but I've never come across an issue where I was concerned about that, I guess.